How to use Airbnb's total price display. Airbnb now has made the total price display standard, which means that all of those search results that include the price has now automatically included the cleaning services or taxes as well if they are mentioned. So what you can simply do is head over to a particular listing that you're trying to book, and it is going to show you the price. Now in order to take a look at what are included in this price, you can simply tap on the reserve option and it is going to show you the price right here, and it will say if it is including price or not, and you can further tap on the details option to take a look at the further breakdown of the price details. If cleaning and services fees are included in this price, it is going to show up right here inside of this section. So using this exact section or feature, you'll be able to use the Airbnb's total price display. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. That's pretty much all for today. I'm going to see you in the next video.